Hey, what's up? It's Andrew. And did you know that HighLevel has a Fast 5 recipe? This is a workflow automation recipe, which is already pre-built, which will allow us to engage with our customers on multiple levels as soon as they opt into our business. If you're new to workflows or are intimidated by building one from scratch, the Fast 5 recipe is an awesome way to engage with your customers. So I'm going to show you it right now. Now, to get to the Fast 5 recipe, it's as easy as going to automations within our sub account, going to create a workflow, and then rather starting from scratch, we can select a recipe. Now, this page gives us access to loads of workflow templates, but the one that we're going to be focusing on today is the Fast 5, which we can find by scrolling down and then seeing recipe Fast 5 Lite and recipe Fast 5. Lite is a simplified version of the Fast 5 recipe, but today I'm just going to show you this one so we can click select here. Now, this is an absolutely beautiful workflow that HighLevel already has put together for us that we don't really have to modify all that much, and I'm going to show you exactly what it does and why it's called the Fast 5. But before I show you that, let's talk about triggers. We can obviously trigger this workflow off of lots of different things, but one of the easiest ones is using a form or a survey submission trigger, which will allow us to get our leads into this workflow whenever they opt in to see our business. Then after they opt in, it'll create an opportunity within our opportunity pipeline by using this action, and we can customize this action on the right hand side here. Now, I'm sure you're wondering why it's called the Fast 5, and that's because we've got 5 points of contact with our customer instantly. First, we've got an offer claim confirmation email. So if they opt in and we're giving them access to an offer, we can let them know that they have claimed their offer and their next step is to book an appointment. Then we have an offer claim SMS confirmation, which is going to send them a text letting them know that they have received the offer that they opted in for. We've got this pre-built SMS here using our contact's first name and our location name, so we don't have to modify anything in this field. Then the Fast 5 recipe is going to wait for a reply, and if they've replied, then it's going to then send them the booking link or send an internal notification to our team letting us know that we need to engage with them manually. Or if they haven't replied, the beautiful part about this is it'll then call connect with the lead, which is going to connect the lead to someone on your team by calling your team if the lead's available, and if the lead's not available, then it's going to send them a voicemail. Now, this is an awesome action which we can use with a file right here. So just replace this file by creating a new send voicemail action. And then this will push a pre-recorded voicemail file to the contact's phone if they don't pick up. So just like that, we've contacted the lead. We've gotten our 5 touch points. It's going to get us closer to a sale. And this is an absolutely awesome workflow that if you're not using any already, this is a really easy one to implement into your business. I love all the workflow recipes, especially Fast 5 and Fast 5 Lite. It's a great way to get the basic engagement that you need with your customer, and it's pre-built right within HighLevel, so you don't have to do a thing. As always, I hope you learned something new. This has been Andrew, and thank you so much for watching.